As always, don't forget to check the video description down below for the best prices on the parts and tools I use in today's video. This is a 2001 Ford Escort. Let's check out these lower ball joints. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is go ahead and remove your wheel. I believe we had 19mm lug nuts. Then we're gonna be looking at our rotor and caliper. We're gonna hop on the ground. Oh, also lift your car. Always use jack stands. That's a good place to lift it right there. So I'll lift both wheels off the ground. Jack stands, you can put them under here. And your ball joint is gonna be sitting right here. So this right here is our ball joint piece. This one's not too bad because you got bolts. You got a 17 here, and we'll get to the 17 down here. We'll take those two off. This will swing down, and then we've got, it's like a 14mm, I believe, right here. It's a bolt that goes through. We'll take that off, take a hammer, tap on it, get it all the way out, and then we're gonna check out our other side where I've already done all that. So once you get, it's basically, you know, your 3 bolts and the ball joint, it's gonna look like this right here. So you'll see, you know, this guy, they kind of fit up in there. This one comes down, this one goes up, and then you're going to take a 4-pound hammer and beat the tar out of this thing, kind of beating it down, and then this is just gonna come right out. As we can see, this one's flopping around. It should be so tight that you have to push hard for this to be able to move. So, and this is your ball joint piece right here. Just comes kind of as this one piece, so it's not too bad of a job. So just whenever you put everything back together, just make sure you tighten it up really good and tight. A couple tricks: I did use a longer ratchet to loosen these guys up because the nuts were on there pretty tight. So that, and then at one point I took the jack bar, here it is, I took that bar and put it on the end of my ratchet there, and that helped break the one nut loose on the other side because it was on there really tight. But it's not too bad of a job. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.